I have a lot of toys, like 100 of them. And I also play with them, like 100. And I also do some work with my ponies too. And also, I play with my ponies like 100 and 100 times. And like some else toys.
Ой, молодец. Can you tell me a little bit about your school?
I go to lunch and also I do some work and I play in the playground a few times. And I also do like reading.
Do you have friends in school?
Yes. I
How
have
many friends do you have?
like 100.
100? Oh, too much.
And also my bestest friend is Addie.
Oh, Adi.
This is my toy Twilight Sparkle. And this is my toy Fluttershy. And also this is my toy telephone. And so this is my toy backpack. And then inside it has a little backpack too. And it has this 2 Lego cards. Those are my toys too. On the Lego. One Lego ice cream. It's more like Lego ice cream.